Hi fam, day 1, time 2:30. Traveling to Vilankolis, almost 600 kilometers from Maputo. Let's get started. Fam, the time is 3 a.m. in the morning, so I'm starting my journey. I'll have to go to Shopal to pick my driver. So from there the journey will start. So fam, officially the journey has begun. I have crossed Shopal. It's like 3:45 in the morning. So I'll be filming once the sun rises. Fam, we are about to reach Shashai. We have traveled almost like 200 kilometers. There's a lot of police in the way, like for speed control, paperwork, paper checks, everything. Like they're doing everything. We are encountered almost like 8 to 10 times. Like we had to stop on the way till Shashai. I don't know what's after Shashai. How much police will be there? Fam, our next destination is Shashai. It's almost 200 kilometers from Maputo, and Shashai is famous. It comes under Gaza province, and the famous attraction is beaches, and they have good hotels over there. So fam, this is the Shashai city. It's a small town after Maputo, like it's almost 200 kilometers from Maputo. You can see big buildings here. Intermoda is a famous clothing brand in Mozambique. It's a KFC. Let's go to KFC. So fam, we have reached KFC over here, but it's not yet open. So we have to find food from some other place. So fam, we have stopped in Shashai so that like we can put some Combustiva, petrol energy, and breakfast is not available, so I'll have to take some biscuit or some biscuits over here. So that's my car, and I'll buy something from this place. The gas or energy what we put in the vehicle, the petrol, it's known as Combustiva over here, and I put gasoline. It's petrol vehicle. That's an Indian restaurant, but it's like morning 7 o'clock. It's not yet open. It's a supermarket. Let's continue with the journey. Next destination, Mashish. So fam, we have found a signboard over here. Beira has a port, and it's like located in center of the country, and it's like 1098 kilometers. Shimoi is like from Beira, like you will have to go to Shimoi. That's the normal route, but over here is like 1025. Vilankolis is the place where we are going, still has 501 kilometers to travel. Mashish is 177 kilometers, and Inyambani is 184 kilometers. And you can see the nature over here. That's an old car. I found it interesting. That's why I recorded the video. The normal shots were getting bored, so I just stopped to take a drone shot. A small town on the way to Mashish. We are about to reach Mashish, hardly 5 kilometers from here. We are feeling very hungry, so let's see if we find some good restaurants over there. The next destination is Mashish. Mashish is almost 500 kilometers from Maputo. It is the business capital of Inyambani. This is Mashish. We came to have lunch over here. The morning we didn't have breakfast or lunch. We didn't have anything actually. It's a beautiful location. The last restaurant where we went, they told the serving time is almost 30 to 1 hour just for a chicken, grilled chicken. I was not able to wait. Then we searched some other place. We asked some people and they told like there's a KFC. We went to the KFC and look at the way I am eating. That's known as real starving. Fam, we have reached Mashish. From here it's like 250 kilometers to Vilankulas where we are traveling. The climate is very good today and as you can see behind me is the sea. That side is Inyambani. So from Mashish to Inyambani you can take the port. I'll just show you the place. So as you can see this is the port where like it's not the port, this is the place where people catch ferry to Inyambani. Inyambani is also having a beautiful beach. This is the KFC where I ate my lunch. More 250 kilometers is there. We are just traveling. Sam, this is the Mashish town and we are on the highway to Vilankulas. I just stopped to take some drone shots and I found these beautiful souls over here. Come to Shama. Rafael. Tu nome? Tu nome? Robson. These are the future Avengers from Mozambique. Maputo Mallu. Yay! I just met some people over here and they are very super excited after seeing the drone. So like I just like it. So fam, more we have almost 180 kilometers to cross. We are going slow. Finally I have reached the destination Vilankulas. I have to take left from here. So fam, finally at 4:30 I have reached an hotel, Casabana Beach. Hotel I have reached. It looks pretty good. As you can see, the back side is the beach. That side is the beach. And so this is the place where I am staying. And the direction is over there. This is the beach, as you can see. It's green color water over here. And this is the way. So fam, this is the place where I am staying. I don't think any other country can beat the natural beauty of Mozambique. Look at this beach. The beaches are so beautiful. It's green color water and it's so maintained properly. There's no trash. It's like trash free place. So this is the place where I'm staying, and as you can see the beach is like in front. The room is slightly darker, but as you can see, like all the facilities, amenities, everything is provided. Pretty decent. And that's me. So fam, that's the wrap up for the day. I have traveled almost 700 kilometers and the route was a little tiring. I have made some new friends. I met some new people. The drone shoots was excellent. Everything was pretty good. I have ordered some food. The time is like 7:30. I have ordered the food. The food has arrived. I'll show you the food and I'll wrap up the series. Tomorrow I'm not pretty sure whether I'll be able to shoot or not because like I'll be working tomorrow. If I get something, I'll try to post something for tomorrow. I'm not pretty sure. But if you like this channel and if you think like you want to explore Maputo, Mozambique or African countries, okay, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Maputo Mallu signing off.